Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. RSS directs Karyakartas in Goa to join BBSM against BJP government over MOI issue. Pump in all efforts to ensure MOI in mother tongue, says RSS to Goa bloc. CESA Goa decides to engage own trucks for ore transportation if truck owners' agitation continues. Engaging own trucks will earn more profit, says CESA. BJP fails to convince agitated dissident workers. BJP activists to come face-to-face for CCP poll. Some to contest as independents. Saturday last day for withdrawal. Mapsa police arrest accused Saimullah Kasimdar for stabbing Trajano's brother. Accused says stabbed over verbal spat. Francis says attacker unknown. And tragedy king of Konkani Theatre Ophelia passes away after brief illness. Final rites on Saturday in Mahim. Fans dismayed over loss of a theatrist. Now the news in detail. If BJP government does not withdraw its MOI policy, then hit the streets with full strength. RSS has issued a dikkat to its Karyakartas. RSS Goa Sangchalak Subhash Velinkar told Prudent regional officials of RSS during their meeting conveyed their decision to Goa RSS bloc. Velinkar says if MOI agitation goes on till assembly election, further strategy will be decided.
RSS All India Working Committee's resolution clearly says that primary education has to be in mother tongue or the regional languages. The All India Working Committee meeting of RSS last year on 13th and 15th March resolved that primary education should be in mother tongue or any other regional language prescribed under the Indian Constitution. Sabha had called on state and union government to revisit their MOI policy and strengthen the system ensuring primary education in mother tongue or the regional languages. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch Andolan is online of Sangh's All India Working Committee's resolution over MOI. Sangh has pumped in all its efforts to make this MOI agitation a success, interestingly against the BJP government.
तर अशा प्रकारचो तो ठराव आसा ताका अनुसरून हे जे आंदोलन हांगा चालू आसा ताजेर संघाचे वेगवेगळ्या स्तराचेर हें जालें त्या बैठकीनूय अशें ठरलें की हें आंदोलन हें योग्य आसा त्या आंदोलनाच्या फाटल्यान उबें रावपाक जाय सगळ्यांनी आनी मागीर हांगा गोंयांत सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांच्या पर्यंत हो विशय ऑफिशियली येवचो अशें म्हणून ते हांगा आयले त्या बैठकीन 4 प्रांतीय कार्यकर्ते हांगा आयिल्ले
एक्झॅक्टली कितें सांगले ते
तांणी सांगलें तें अशें की अखिल भारतीय स्तराचेर पश्चिम क्षेत्र स्तराचेर प्रांत स्तराचेर आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून असो निर्णय केलो की हो निर्णय हें आंदोलन जें आसा ते हाका अनुसरून आसा अखिल भारतीय कार्यकारिणीचे जो प्रस्ताव आसा ठराव आसा ताका अनुसरून आसा त्यामुळे आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून हें पूर्णपणे यशस्वी करपाक जाय आंदोलन आनी आमी सगळ्यांनी पूर्ण शक्तीनिशी ह्या आंदोलनान आसपाक जाय पण आतां ऑथेंटीक आनी ऑफिशियल डिक्लेरेशन प्रांत कार्यवाहा कडल्यान सुनीलजी सप्रे कडल्यान जालें ह्या बैठकींतल्यान त्यामुळे ती बैठक जाली आनी बऱ्या पद्दतीन जालें ताज्या मुळे भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाच्या आंदोलनाक खूब बूस्ट मेळ्ळो.
RSS will decide the course of action if agitation continues till assembly election.
जाल्यार अजून 1 वर्स तुमचे कडेन शिल्लक आसा तर तुमी जो जाहीरनामो दिल्लो लोकांक आनी वचन दिल्लें लोकांक की मातृभाशेंतल्यानूच हें शिक्षण म्हणून अशा पद्दतीचें आनी इंग्लिशीक ग्रँट बंद करतले अशें तें वचन तुमी पाळा म्हणून लोकांक तुमी फटोवंक शकना त्या ह्या वर्सभराच्या हातूंतल्यान पाळचें बॉल इज इन देअर कोर्ट.
डिसिजन पार्टी घेयना जाल्यार इलेक्शन
ना तें जें कितें आसा तें फुडें पळयतलें न्ही वेळ आयलो काय ते निर्णय घेतात न्ही कित्याक कार्यकर्ते काम करता आसतना ते पार्टीच्या कार्यकर्ते म्हणून काम करिना तो भाजप आसा काय कोण तें पळयना राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ हो पूर्णपणे आपली धोरणांच राबयता राजकीय पक्षांची धोरणां राबयना आनी राजकीय पक्षांनी केल्ल्यो चुका तांचें समर्थन करपा खातीर राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघाचो जन्म जावंक ना.
RSS cadre and Karyakartas in Goa now have a green signal from the center to pump in all their efforts to make MOI agitation successful. On the other side, BJP has asked its Karyakartas to stay away from MOI agitation. Sangh's diktat over MOI policy has surely given a new boost to Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
CESA Goa has decided to engage its own trucks if the agitating truck owners do not budge and O transportation issue doesn't end. At present, both the parties are firm on their stand. CESA Goa maintained that engaging their own trucks will yield them more profit. Anirudh Joshi, head of corporate affairs of CESA Goa, said they are waiting for the truckers' issue to get resolved as early as possible.
The deadlock between truck owners and CESA Goa over the iron ore transportation rate still continues. All Goa Truck Owners Association has again stopped the transportation of iron ore. This has hit supplies at CESA Goa's pig iron plant at Amona. Anirudh Joshi, head corporate affairs of CESA Goa, informed that company might engage their own trucks for transportation of iron ore. This exercise will ensure a cut down of company's expenditure by 4 rupees per ton per kilometer.
Company is wondering how long it can remain onlooker. Probably if we had our own trucks, we would have started the business long back and we would have faced the consequences of breakage or whatever. But at least we would have started the business. The inaction of both these groups is making us think whether, like other mine owners, should we own the trucks? If we operate the trucks, naturally we'll get all the benefit. We'll be able to operate it at 4 rupees 50 paise per ton kilometer. That is maximum. We have agreed to pay the double. In spite of that, as I said, there are many people who are ready to work, but they don't want to come forward. What is happening is that because we do not own the trucks, we have to be onlookers. How long can we be onlookers is a question.
CESA Goa has maintained that it will not wait for too long, as the company wants to start the operations without a delay.
Ultimately, company cannot sit idle. Company has to do something. So let's see. We'll work on it. We have started thinking today. It depends on the truck owners. If they want to push us to a decision, or they want to leave it at thinking. They want that we should leave this at thinking stage.
Earlier, CESA Goa had warned to shut down its pig iron plant at Amona. Now it is thinking to engage its own trucks for transportation of iron ore. Truck Owners Association is firm on their demand of 11 rupees 27 paise per ton per kilometer rate. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
BJP supported candidates may face the heat from their own party colleagues, as many are contesting as independents. Sources inform that party leaders have failed to convince their own dissident workers who have filed nominations for the CCP poll as an independent candidate. Saturday will clear the final candidates in fray, being the last day for withdrawal of nominations.
Now all eyes are set on BJP and what action it takes against the dissidents who have filed their nominations for the CCP poll as independent candidates. BJP leaders are trying their best to convince these dissidents to withdraw their candidatures, but most of the candidates are adamant on contesting. Prudent spoke to some of them. Tushar Asulkar from Ward number 28 has decided not to withdraw his candidature. Suresh Chopdekar from BJP-backed panel is contesting from Ward number 28. Ratnakar Fatarpekar is also firm on his decision. He will contest from Ward number 21 and 18 both. Earlier, he was representing the Ward number 18. Fatarpekar says nearly 240 votes from Ward number 18 have been added into Ward number 21. He will face Lakshman Kharde and Pundalik Rao Desai, both from BJP-backed panel from Ward number 18 and Ward number 21. Prudent tried to contact Santosh Akhadkar and Jyoti Masurkar, but both were not reachable. Meanwhile, Congress-backed candidate Shahid Naru from Ward number 12 has withdrawn his candidature from Congress panel. Now Congress has decided to support independent candidate Ashley Rosario, whereas Congress has backed Tasneem B. Sheikh, candidate from Ward number 17.
आम्ही आशा धरता की आमकां पणजेकार एक्सेप्ट करतले कारण पणजेकारांक आमी एक ऑप्शन दिल्ले आसा एक पर्याय दिल्लो आसा, एक अल्टरनेट दिल्लो आसा. पयलींचे जे हांगा कावन्सिलर्स आसले तेंचेर जे लोक विटलेले आसा, तेंचे जे फेल्युअर आसा त्या लोकां समोर मांडपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करतलो.
Saturday is the last day for the withdrawal of candidates for CCP polls. 131 candidates have filed 238 nominations. Not a single one was rejected till the last day on Friday. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Shirish Kukalkar for Prudent.
Mapsa police has arrested an accused, namely Samiullah Rafiq Kasimdar, in Francis de Mello stabbing case. Francis de Mello is the younger brother of spokesperson of the NCP, Trajano de Mello. Francis de Mello complained that an unknown person stabbed him and robbed his scooter, money and mobile on Tuesday night at Parra. According to sources, arrested accused Samiullah has confessed stabbing Francis de Mello, but contrary to Francis's statement, Samiullah has stated that Francis knows him and on that fateful night, he stabbed him over a heated verbal argument. Mapsa police is now interrogating Samiullah to ascertain whether he stabbed Francis de Mello just to rob him or if he had some other motive. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.